KO Tutorials. So here I am coming up with a small tutorial on 3D modeling a gaming environment in 3dsmax. So let's get started. So let's go into file, view image file, and I'll open up a reference over here. So we'll go into this. Let's take one file and let's start modeling this. So very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is like, let's take a plane. So we'll be utilizing a proper camera angles to showcase this elements over here. So I'll just shuffle it in this way. Let's convert to editable poly. So before we do this, again I'll go over here. I'll slightly just shuffle this down, drag it over here, and if needed I can just push it wide inside. Similarly, I can do this same for this as well. Again I will take a box, I will create a box still here in this way. So convert to poly, slightly just push it further. Let's go into the modeling and let's take two swift loops, one over here, one over here, in this way. Let's select this polygons and slightly I can give a bit of extrusion by local normal, and once it is done, we can put some entities over here as well. Again I will put one loop over here. So select the polygons, slightly extrude it. Let's select the vertex. Let's select the take a box over here. Let's select this box, create a box, drag it in this way. Slightly reduce its height, select again, extrude a bit, and again extrude it in this way. So I can just push this up and I can just duplicate it down over here. So I can just push it a bit inside in this way. So what I can do is, if needed, I'll just resize it slightly. We can just resize it. I'll just place it in this way. And make multiple copies over here. Now this is much better. Select this, drag it inside, So again I'll go over here, I'll push it down, just drag it down. Now again select this, select the vertices, shuffle it inside, so we'll be doing this same for all. So first we'll just block it. Similarly we are going to do this over here as well. So select this part, push it inside, push it inside, push it inside, so just select this and keep on pushing this vertices a bit inside over here. Alright, so once it is done, now let's go over here. We can create this stuff over here. So before that I'll just take a line. If you want you can just take a cylinder as well. So let's select the vertices. I'll just save the file once. So take a cylinder over here. Let's just drag a cylinder till here. Slightly reduce its radius. Drag it over here. Convert to poly. Let's take a swift loop. Select the polygons, click on bevel, by local normal, click OK. Again take a swift loop, select the polygons and let's give a bit of bevel to it here as well as required. Now what I can do is, let's take a tube. So I can just take a tube over here, I'll slightly scale it, can slightly just push it a bit in this way, increase its sides over here, convert to poly, select this edges, we can slightly scale it, Again I can put some edge loops in this way. Again I'll go into this. Let's take a line for now. We'll definitely create something over here later. So for now I'm just taking this line over here and enabling viewport. I'll just make it as rectangular. So I'll just duplicate it. So I'll just go into this. Let's set it as 90°. I'll just push this up in this way and drag it down. Can just keep it in this way, at least for now. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.